the most profitable niches on YouTube, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can make money on YouTube in 2022. Hi guys, my name is Temitope Banks and I've been a YouTuber for over 5 years. I have 3 YouTube channels, 2 are monetized, and on this channel we are getting slowly. So I'm going to be sharing with you profitable niches on YouTube that I know that in 2022 are very profitable. Okay, you want to know the areas that are profitable, especially if you are a Nigerian YouTuber, a Nigerian creator, and you want to know how can I make money on YouTube, how can I make money online in Nigeria. This is the video that you need to watch, okay? Because at the end of the day, we all want to have online businesses that are successful, and YouTube is that platform that you can start and have a successful business. So the very first niche that is highly profitable, highly profitable, come closer, let me tell you. Okay, before we do that, please smash the like button. Okay, yes, smash it. Okay, jokes apart, the very first niche that is highly profitable is the skincare niche. A lot of people were very interested in makeup and all of that, but Rona came and people had to wear masks and all of that, so people are not ready for a lot of makeup stuff post-COVID era, post-Rona era. So a lot of people are into skincare. Now, how is skincare a very profitable niche? Let me explain 3 ways it is very profitable. So number 1, there's a lot of interest in skincare. Now, if you look at this channel and this channel, they started couple of years ago and their channel grew fast because a lot of people are interested content that they are sharing, okay, the knowledge that they are sharing about how to take care of your skin. I'm going to say skincare / hygiene, okay? So skincare / hygiene, and that's the proper way to put it. So if you start today, you know that you have a lot of people that are interested in what you're saying. So, and there are a lot of advertisers that are interested in placing ads on skincare related stuff. So a lot of companies are advertising skincare products. If you have ever seen a skincare advert before, let me know. Secondly, apart from skincare adverts, you have e-commerce sites, okay, that want people to buy skincare from them. So you know that the CPM on such videos is going to be high, okay, than just normal video. And thirdly is that if you are someone who is already selling skincare products, you know that when you are doing your videos, you already have your target market, okay? Your target market is already waiting for you. So yeah, that's why skincare is highly profitable on YouTube. The next one I'm going to be talking about, okay, that's very profitable. It's a money spinner. I don't see a lot of people doing it. Is parenting. Yes, we have a lot of motherhood type of vlogs, but we don't have a lot of parenting channels that talk about parenting for toddlers, parenting for teenagers, parenting for at different stages. There are a lot of young mothers and fathers that need like guidance on parenting, like when you first of all have your first baby, what to do. You don't have a lot of channels that are doing that, and that is an area that is blowing up, okay, because a lot of people are searching for information that they cannot get elsewhere. All right, the third niche that is highly profitable, all right, is the sewing tutorial niche. Now this is a bit like let me explain profitability for you, because I found out by research that the RPM is kind of low, but I believe that if you are into that, if you're a tailor, you sew, or you have interest in reviewing fashion and all of that, it is a high growth niche. So you can start, and if you know how to do your SEO, your keywords and all of that, you can begin to get clients, okay? You can get clients of this platform, as well as students, as well as a lot of people who want to learn tailoring and all those type of things. So profitability is beyond just what's it called now, Google AdSense, because aside from AdSense, there are other ways you can monetize that your tailoring and sewing channel. But it is a high growth niche right now in Nigeria. Just check around. This girl, this channel, they all blew up in that niche, and a lot more are blowing up. All right, then the next one, tailoring, is the fashion review niche. Fashion review, if you are someone who loves to dress up, you know how to explain styles, a lot that these styles channels, I don't see too many people doing it, but it is a high growth niche, because people want to know the latest styles. People who are in the diaspora, they want to know the latest styles. People are going to O and Bed, latest Ashwebi styles, latest wedding styles. So that is a high growth niche right now in Nigeria that is doing very well. The next one is interior design and interior decoration. I don't see so many people doing this, and I don't know why, because it is such a high growth and profitable niche. People want to see relatable stuff. So if you're somebody that you are into, that's your area, you're an interior decorator, you're an interior design, begin to tell us videos on what to do, how to design our space. Okay, before we go on, this video has been sponsored by Yes to YouTube. Yes to YouTube class is a class that is going to show you how to start your YouTube channel. If you're interested in starting your YouTube channel, you don't know where to start from, in that class we're going to be showing you everything you need to start your YouTube channel, the kind of mindset that you need to start your YouTube channel, and the kind of mindset that you need to have profitable YouTube channels. Okay, if you are willing to join the class, it is for beginners. Check the link in the description box. So let's continue with our profitable YouTube niches. Okay, so if you're an interior decorator and you're like, oh, I would like to start a YouTube channel, I actually have a checklist of over 20 video ideas for you. Okay, and I'm going to put it in the description box, so go check it out. All right, that is very highly profitable. That is highly, like, as in, it's a money generating niche. God, oh. It is the make money online niche. Yes, so in Nigeria, people want to know how to make money online. People want to know business ideas. People, it's a, just look around and you see that these videos on that niche, they are high growth, and the competition is still very low, because the supply and demand, remember economics, the supply and demand, the people supplying those type of content are lower than the demand for such content. So that make money online niche. The next one, similar to make money online niche, is the finance niche. Highly profitable. Finance niche is broad. You have crypto, you have personal finance, there are many things you could do in that space. So if you're somebody, I don't see anybody doing personal finance for mothers, for moms, or personal finance for small businesses. Like, there's just so much you can do in that space, in the finance area, and it is highly profitable. Okay, and the last but not the least, is the real estate niche. The real estate niche is highly profitable, and it is a high growth niche. It doesn't matter the level, because a lot of people, one mistake a lot of people are making is that it has to be those 100 billion naira house, this one, that one. No, that's a mistake. That's a mistake, darling. That's a mistake, sweetheart. Don't do that. Wherever you are, if you are an agent, you that's your business, showcase it. Okay, because there are different price points. Yes, there are people who buy high end, there are people who buy mid-level properties, and there are people who also buy low level properties. So wherever you are on the spectrum, showcase it, because real estate, people want to invest, as long as what you are offering people is not fake, because they go arrest you. Let me just tell you that. But as long as it is original, it is genuine, you will get your customers from there. Thank you so much, guys. If I have missed anyone that I did not mention, tell me in the comment section. And if you would like to start your YouTube channel, you're thinking about it, like, I would like to make money from YouTube, join the Yes to YouTube class. All right, it is in the description box. The classes, the videos, everything is there. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.